Add a note. You can access this function from the Contents area. Select Add a note. You can select type. You can select meeting, note, reminder. You can select due date. You can enter subject. You can add notes and save. After you add a note, you can view notes from Accountant's dashboard. Select Home, select Accountant dashboard. You can view your notes. If you want to edit, you can select Edit. After you complete the task, you can check on Complete checkbox. If you want to attach any documents, you can add attachments by clicking Add Attachments link. You can attach up to 2 MB and maximum 5 attachments.